Thinking about a self hosted platform as a service solution to launch applications without any vendor lock in? In today's video, we will be comparing Coolify and CapRover in 2026, two of the many open source self hosted platform as a service solutions that run on Docker. First, let's talk about Coolify. What is Coolify? Coolify is an advanced self-hostable platform as a service similar to Heroku and Vercel. Launched in approximately 2022 and having received over 52,000 GitHub stars, Coolify provides you with an attractive web interface for hosting apps, databases, and more than 280 one-click services. Some of its major features include Git integration, native Docker Compose, SSL certificates using Terrific and Let's Encrypt, deployment previews for pull requests, and multi server management within a unified dashboard. Although the self hosted version is completely free, you can also opt for a managed cloud service that starts from just $5 per month. The minimum requirement is 2 gigabytes of RAM, and Coolify is ideal for team collaboration because of its RBAC and notification system. Then we have CapRover. CapRover has been available since 2017 and boasts over 15,000 stores. It is a lightweight platform as a service tailored for effortless application and database deployment via Docker, Nginx, and Netdata. It shines in the deployment of straightforward applications such as WordPress and Node.js through one-click templates. CapRover incorporates Docker Swarm clustering, wildcard domains, and auto HTTPS. Although extremely reliable, it offers limited Docker Compose functionality compared to Coolify. Furthermore, it lacks native multi-environment and preview deployments. Completely free and open source, CapRover is renowned for its lightweight nature, requiring only 1 gigabyte of RAM to operate effectively. Now let's have the highlight to their comparison. While Coolify comes with an excellent interface, seamless compose support, and collaboration capabilities like GitHub integration for commits and pull requests, it consumes more resources, utilizing 500 to 700 MB of RAM even at idle. In contrast, CapRover is much more resource efficient, consuming only 300 to 400 MB of RAM when idle. Moreover, it is potentially more stable concerning basic functionalities like swarm scaling and templates. Nevertheless, its user interface may seem somewhat outdated and new updates are not as frequent. For strengths, weaknesses, and recommendation, Coolify is fantastic for complex deployments, multi-service stacks, and collaboration, but the overhead involved could be too much for small VPS deployments. CapRover beats all when it comes to ease of use and lightness in simple deployments involving a single server. Pick Coolify for its advanced capabilities such as preview environments, S3 backups, and the best dashboard around. CapRover is a perfect for a reliable yet light solution to start up a container fast on less powerful hardware. Test out both on VPS and let us know which one suits your setup in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more self hosted content.